Hey, Captain Joe here again. We're looking out at River Park Place Marina. As you can see all the way down, all of that down there is normally the roadway and access to your boats and vessels. No way to do it. Blocked up here, river's still coming up, but you can't get out there. If you got a dinghy, you can. Remember, it's going to be shallow on this side, real shallow, to be able to get to your ramps or go outside, you know, and come in to either your boat or to the ramps out on the island side. There's access down on the other end. A couple boats down there, you can see that are already there. I think they're the marina boats, but it's only going to come up another couple of feet as they're saying right now, but we'll see on that. It's really not going to change this here a whole lot. And then when this goes down because of the flow through between the island, lots of cleanup down here. Even when it goes down, you probably got 4 or 5 days of the marina and the city and whoever else they contract with to move all the mud that'll be on these roadways here. But they do a good job. They'll get it taken care of. And for those, if any, that live aboard, you're dinghying out there now. And here we are, more of River Park Place Marina. The other side of it, looking out at Towhead Island. You can see the barge actually sitting over there that are on the island. The other side, you can now see them from this side, just looking straight through. The island's almost completely underwater. By the crest, you'll be able to see right through there with water. Interesting sights here. You know, we're getting a little bit of flow through, so a lot of the debris is going on. Hopefully it doesn't start building up in any around or any of the vessels here and the boats. But looks actually pretty good. Looks like it's handling it, and we got a few more feet to go. We'll see how it ends up doing.